The big story today is in Green Bay, where the Taylor Schabusiness trial got underway. Schabusiness is charged with killing and dismembering a man last year. The jury heard opening statements along with several witnesses from the state. We want to warn you, this story includes graphic information that is not suitable for many viewers. Your Green Bay neighborhood reporter Tyler Jobe has an update from the courtroom.
The trial for a woman charged in connection to killing and dismembering Shad Therian inside a Green Bay home last year is underway. Taylor Schabusiness is facing felony charges of first-degree intentional homicide, third-degree sexual assault, and mutilating a corpse.
She lifts a towel that's covering the bucket. It's a beach towel. And unfortunately, sees essentially a mother's worst nightmare. That her son's head is in the bucket.
The state and defense each gave their opening statements to the jury before witnesses for the prosecution testified.
In a case like this, and really in any case, you have to assess the credibility of each and every witness.
A staffer at the Brown County 911 dispatch center also took the stand. The phone call was played for the jury.
Yeah, no clue what's happening. My girl swears that she's found her severed head of her son in the basement.
Did you go down there?
In a bucket.
Body cam video was also shown to the jury. You'll see an officer walking down the stairs at the home where he discovered the gruesome scene.
Lifted the towel off, and there was, in fact, a human severed head in the bucket.
Green Bay police officer Alex Wanish was wearing the body camera that night.
Did you see any other parts of a human body?
No other parts of a human body, no. Beyond the stack of mattresses, there appeared to be blood on the floor.
According to the criminal complaint, Schabusiness told police she and the victim were smoking marijuana and meth before having sex. The complaint explains the victim died after being strangled, and police say Schabusiness said she assaulted the body. The trial is being done in two phases. The first is regarding Schabusiness's charges, and if the jury finds her guilty, then the second phase will focus on whether Schabusiness was responsible for the crime or if she was suffering from a mental disease or defect at the time of the killing. In Green Bay, Tyler Jobe, NBC 26.
And for some analysis of what we saw on this first day of the trial, I want to bring in attorney Heather Richmond, a criminal defense attorney in Green Bay. You watched several hours of the trial this morning. What stuck out at you the most, Heather?
Well, it was pretty interesting to watch the opening statements. The state laid out their argument as far as what they believe happened, and they also laid out the elements that they have to prove to the jury, since the burden is on the state to prove each and every element of the offenses, and she's charged with 3 offenses. They had to inform the jury or explain to them what it was that they were going to be showing them through the evidence. Then the defense did their opening statement, and that was interesting as well. It pretty much mirrored the state's opening statement, and we really didn't get a direction of where the defense is going so far. So that was kind of interesting. Normally in opening statements, the defense will lay out a roadmap of where they plan to go, but in this case, it seems to kind of be a surprise.
What's the goal of each side during opening statements in a criminal trial?
To paint a picture for the jury, to understand what it is that this trial is about, what it is that they're going to show them, what the evidence is going to show them, and what they want as an end result.
Some analysis from attorney Heather Richmond. Anything else that you think that people should know going forward here?
I think this week is going to be a very interesting week with this trial, and I think it's definitely one to watch.
Okay, attorney Heather Richmond, thank you so much for your time.